In this video, I am going to show you how we can do banner grabbing of a web server. So banner grabbing means we want to know which software your web server is running so that we can further attack the web server. So here you can see my Windows 10 machine and I am running here a WordPress website. I'm using a WAMP server. And here is my test website that I have set up using the WAMP server. And if I want to know what kind of software is running on my web server, so I can use a tool which is known as HTTP print. So you have to download this tool. I will provide you the link. So this is a website net-square.com where you can find this tool. So here is the Win32 GUI and CMD line. You can download this and extract on your desktop. And then open the folder and here you will find this HTTP print GUI. So here you will have to type the IP address of the this machine or where the web server is running. So this is my local IP 192.168.56.103. And port here is 80 and click on start. So the message states HTTP print completed, and you can further save this output in HTML, XML, or CSV format. Let's save this file in the name of HTTP print output, or you can give it any other name. So click on yes. So now this is the file that has been output. So as you can see, this is my host, this is my port number. SSL is not available on this web server because it is running on HTTP. And this is the Apache web server that is running on this web server, and the server is 64-bit and PHP version is this 8.3.14, and banner that is has been detected is of Apache 2.0.x. And the confidence level of this tool is 50 to 60%. It means it is correct 50 to 60% chances that your web server is running Apache, because these headers can be manipulated. So it has 50.60%, 50 to 50.60% chance that this web server is running Apache web server. So in this way, you can do banner grabbing with HTTP print. Thanks for watching.